Welcome to the lesson, Levels of Cellular Organization. We are going to look at how living things are organized, starting with the smallest unit, the cell, all the way up to organ systems. The vocabulary words for this lesson are organism, tissue, organ, organ system, structure, and function. How is a bacterium like a giraffe? They look very different, don't they? But they have something in common. They're both made up of cells. A bacterium is made up of just one cell, while the giraffe is made up of millions, all organized to do different jobs. There are millions of organisms on Earth, and all of them are made up of cells. Some organisms are made up of only one cell. They are called unicellular organisms. Uni means one. Other organisms have many cells, so they are called multicellular organisms. Click the picture to discover more. A unicellular organism, like an amoeba, has one cell that can do all of the functions needed to live. A multicellular organism, like an insect, has many cells that may be specialized to perform different functions in the body. They are arranged into different levels of organization, including tissues, organs, and organ systems. A multicellular organism is organized into different levels of structure. Each of these levels builds upon the one before it. Click the heart cell. The simplest level of structure is a cell. Most cells have a specific function. A heart cell, for example, is found only in the walls of the heart and has a specialized function as part of the heart's muscle tissue. A group of cells that work together is a tissue. All of the cells in the tissue perform the same function. The heart muscle cells work together as the heart muscle tissue to pump the heart. Tissues work together too. A group of tissues that work together form an organ. The heart organ is made up of tissues that are working together to keep the heart pumping to circulate blood throughout the body. The heart does not work alone. It works with other groups of tissues to form the circulatory system, which is an organ system. You are a multicellular organism. It might be hard to see this by just looking at a mirror, but there are cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems at work in your body at all times. All of these parts in your body have a specific structure, which means they are arranged in a specific way. What each part does is its function. Your stomach is an organ. One function of your stomach is to break down food for digestion. All organisms are made up of cells. The cells of multicellular organisms, like plants and animals, make up tissues, organs, and organ systems. You may not realize it, but right now, many of your body's systems are in action. Your body contains lots of organs, like the heart, stomach, and brain. These and other organs make up organ systems, like the circulatory, digestive, and nervous systems. The skin, including hair and nails, is an organ that makes up the integumentary system. The skin protects your body from injury and diseases, helps regulate body temperature, and prevents water loss. The skeletal and muscular systems include your bones and muscles. They protect your organs and help you move around. The digestive system includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The functions of this system are to break down foods and absorb nutrients to eliminate solid waste. The urinary system is made up of kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. This system keeps the levels of fluids balanced in the body and gets rid of liquid waste. The nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. Neurons send impulses from the brain to the rest of the body. No other organ systems could work without it. The nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord. The circulatory system includes both the cardiovascular and the lymphatic systems. These organ systems work together to carry blood and other fluids throughout the body. Plants have organs too, but not as many as a human. Most plants have roots, stems, and leaves. These organs work as a system to transport and store water and nutrients in the plant. In flowering plants, the reproductive system is in the flower itself. Plants with flowers attract insects that carry pollen from flower to flower, which helps the plant to reproduce. Now that you've learned about all the different systems and what they do, let's see if you can remember their names. Drag each system name to its correct location. The digestive system absorbs nutrients and gets rid of solid waste. The urinary system maintains fluid balance in the body and gets rid of liquid waste. Skeletal and muscular systems provide protection for organs and allow for movement. The reproductive system contains a plant's seeds and flowers or an animal's ovary. The nervous system controls and coordinates all of the other organ systems. Finally, the circulatory system pumps blood throughout the body. Which animal system is most like a plant's root system? Good job! The digestive system in an animal is responsible for absorbing nutrients. That was great work. Let's take a minute to recall what we've learned about the units of cellular organization. Any living thing is an organism. Organisms can be unicellular or multicellular. Multicellular plants and animals are structured by levels of organization. These levels are cell, tissue, organ, and organ system. Now that you've finished this lesson, click the menu button to exit.